Poorly maintained roof. A roof in poor condition can lead to endless problems. Missing shingles, sagging areas, or visible damage are all red flags that the roof may need immediate repair or replacement. A poorly maintained roof can lead to water leaks, higher energy bills, and even mold growth if moisture seeps into the attic or walls. Roof repairs are one of the most expensive undertakings for homeowners, so it's important to assess their condition during your home buying process. Check for signs of wear, such as discolored patches, visible sagging, or granules from shingles collecting in gutters. Flat roofs, or those nearing the end of their lifespan, are especially vulnerable to leaks and other issues. A home with a neglected roof often indicates that the rest of the property might not have been well cared for. If the seller hasn't kept up with roof maintenance, chances are they've ignored other essential repairs. Even if the home looks pristine on the inside, an aging roof is a costly disaster waiting to happen. Don't take chances when it comes to roofing. Request information about the roof's age, past repairs and warranties, and consider hiring a roofing expert for a detailed inspection. Investing in a sturdy roof up front will save you from facing major financial losses later.